We're Harvey Industries. We're here at IWF 2024 at the Georgia Congress Center. Let's check out some of our new products and get some feedback from some customers.
You know, we got to get it there and touch and feel, because that's something you can't get from a catalog or watching videos or reviews. You have to physically be there and touch it, because you can feel the build, you can see the quality, and you get to meet the people.
They have a great support as far as if you call in, but it's nothing better than to, hey, run something by somebody here in person. Being able to walk around and see some of the new stuff that's coming out and to put your hands on it and mess with it before it's even available is just awesome.
So one of the things about Harvey that we love is everything that they do is of the highest quality. If you pick up anything in this booth, it's like the most solid piece of material. Like, you got to use two hands because it's got weight to it, right? Everything they make is just excellent, and it's high quality. It's hard when some of the guys are getting into the business, it's hard to spend capital and things like that. Harvey is one of those companies you just want to go to first. To go straight for quality and to have excellent service behind the product, this is where you go.
That's Harvey, baby. That's Harvey right there.